The BAGSMART 20-inch carry-on luggage offers travelers a convenient way to access essentials with its front access compartments, making it easy to store items like boarding passes and laptops. Designed with organization in mind, this luggage includes a waterproof bag to separate wet clothes or toiletries, allowing for maximum packing in its spacious main compartment. With dimensions that comply with major airline size limits, this carry-on easily fits into overhead bins, eliminating the need for baggage check-ins. The four 360-degree spinner wheels provide smooth maneuverability, while the telescoping handle ensures stability and ease of movement on various surfaces. Constructed with durable materials, this luggage is built to withstand the rigors of travel, and its integrated TSA-approved lock adds an extra layer of security. The BAGSMART 20-inch carry-on luggage combines functionality with style, ensuring a stress-free travel experience for short trips.